Hi guys, so this video is going to be about this hair that I've been wearing. It's by TrueHairFantasy and it's their Indian straight. Get that out of the way. So yeah, so this review is very special to me because this hair company is actually by one of my students. She's the owner of the hair company, the CEO, and I'm absolutely proud of her. When she hit me up to do the review, I'm like, Bobo, you know mama's got you, baby. You know I got you, hunty. Yeah. So yeah, so this is their Indian straight and I've been wearing this now for a week, little over a week, and I have put nothing in this hair now. When I just got the hair, it was tangling a little bit, it was shedding a bit, and I told her, she's like, alright, cool, and just keep me updated of what's going on with the hair. And look at it, it looks as if I've been maintaining it. I haven't washed it. This hair is straight out of the pack. Sewed it on myself. It's a sewing, by the way. So it's on myself. And I am just like, wow, I am shocked. I'm going to be honest, I'm shocked because when I just got the hair, I was like, oh, I'm not sure. And I told her my concerns and she's like, you know, just keep on watching it and stuff. And after wearing this hair for almost a week, well, little over a week, sorry, I am very surprised in a good way. And I am even more proud of her, of my girl. Like, the girl got some good hairs. Yeah, so this is the luster of the hair. As you can see, very nice and shiny. It's very healthy looking, not shiny. I don't think it's shiny, but it's very healthy looking. And all I did was flat iron it with my Remington flat iron. I haven't put any curls in this hair because, truth be told, I don't have time to curl the hair because while I was flat ironing, I had to stop, take care of my little bobo. And yeah, so I didn't have time to curl it, but I will though. But I'll be taking this out of my hair because I want to do another hairstyle. So I'll be taking this out of my hair and I'll be putting it on a wig cap. Now after it goes on the wig cap, then I can curl it overnight and like wand it and then put it down, you know what I mean? So I don't have to sleep with it in my head because, you know, I just want my hair to be free whenever I'm sleeping and stuff. So my eyebrow rub off? No. Yeah, so let's talk about the shedding. There has been some shedding because I had to cut when I got to the top, so there has been some shedding, tangling, little to none, and I'm not exaggerating. It has come to the Island Beauty said it in her video, it has come to the point where for hair it's either good or it's not good, and it's either, you know, there's not much you can say. So the truth,
damn, I look slim from this angle. Just honey, work.
So the truth is, it's good hair. I don't know what I'm telling you. If I get bad hair, it's not going to come on my YouTube channel. You understand? Because for me to do a review, I have to wear the hair for a week or more. And if I've worn the hair for a week or more and I say that it's bad, I don't bring that to YouTube, right? Reason being, there's no way you can profit from a bad review because you won't be able to purchase the hair. I'll just be wasting time, or I'm doing it deliberately to probably hurt the company. Two, the company won't profit from it, and I won't profit from it either. You get to think it's like a waste of time. You watch these videos, you watch these hair videos, you watch these reviews to see what hair you can buy, to see if it's worth purchasing or not. Now with that being said, TrueHairFantasy, TrueHairFantasy's hair is good hair, and I'm very proud to say that it is a Caribbean owned company, and she's one of my students. The CEO is amazing. She's an amazing makeup artist. Duh. And she's a smart businesswoman, so I really want to give her a huge shout out, and I have all her links and websites and such in the description bar below. So I'm just coming back to let you guys know that this is what I've been wearing in my past couple of videos, and the ear of one of the bag of things, and all I've done is just straighten it. As I've said, haven't had the time to curl it, as I said, but I'll be taking this down, taking it off, and I'll be doing a wig, and when I do the wig, then I'll be able to curl it up as I want to, see. So yeah, that's basically it. I love it. I'm wearing 3 bundles, and the closure is not from TrueHairFantasy, however it's from a different company. So I'm just wearing 3 bundles of their hair, and I love it. I love how airy it is. I just love how it looks. Ooh, look at mama's little things. I'm feeling myself. I don't know, I'm so happy. I'm feeling myself. Okay, so that's basically it for this video. Not too long, straight to the point. It's good hair and you can choose to invest in it if you want to, and it is virgin hair, so it will last you over a period of time. Now I want to say something to you guys. True virgin hair, or to be honest, any hair that you want to last over a period of time, it will last. It just takes care. You get me? Because a lot of us will have lashes for 2 years now. We'll disinfect it, we'll put it up, we'll do all of this stuff. If people are investing in mink lashes and reusing them, bruh, then the same can go for your hair, irrespective of how much it costs or where you purchase it from. It really depends on how well you care it. So me telling you that I love this hair and the hair is good, it all boils down to the bundles you get, and it all boils down to your care. Now in terms of care for the hair, I just catch it up in the night and I tie it down with a silk scarf, and that's it. That's all I do. That's all I do. And I have to show you guys something. Like, you see my closure? My closure look like crap. That's why I'm like, you know, so the top part don't show that much. But yeah, so that's what I'm trying to say to you. So even with like your closure looking as jacked up as mine, I comb the hair to the front. You see, I don't have it like to the side. I have it to the, it's still to the side, but it's to the front more. You get me? Like the hair is falling more to the front, so it's hiding all that ratchetness. But yeah, that's all I have to say. And again, my baby, I'm very proud of you, honey. The hair is really good. I love it. I make it no more concern. I say I must watch it and I watch it, and the thing turn up. It's not good, y'all. Yeah, so that's basically it for this review, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.